Tired of battling dry, frizzy curls that never seem to cooperate? What if you could tame those temperamental strands with a product designed specifically for curly hair's unique needs? Marc Anthony True Professional's Strictly Curls collection offers exactly that. A solution enriched with vitamin E to restore moisture and smooth your curls for a natural, healthy shine. Curly hair often feels dry because it bends open the cuticle layer, letting moisture slip away. That's where vitamin E steps in. It replenishes lost moisture and nourishes the hair's core, the cortex, helping curls stay hydrated from within. Strictly Curls doesn't just stop there, it smooths down the cuticle to lock in moisture, preventing frizz and tangles that can ruin your look. The result? Soft, spring-like curls that bounce with life and shine without the hassle. I've seen firsthand how this collection changes the curl game. As someone who's tried countless products, the cream from Strictly Curls stands out for keeping curls soft, natural, and shiny without weighing them down. Unlike other lotions or gels that can leave curls stiff or greasy, this cream nourishes deeply and lets your hair move freely. It's no surprise that so many users swear by it, giving it top reviews for delivering consistent, reliable results. Marc Anthony True Professional isn't just about products. They're a community of hair experts who understand the art and science of styling. Their focus on world-class, innovative ingredients means you get affordable beauty without compromise. Whether backstage at fashion shows or in your own bathroom, their products bring out the best in every curl, every cut, and every style. If you're ready to transform your curls into soft, frizz-free tendrils that shine with health, the Strictly Curls collection is worth a look. It's designed to nourish, protect, and hydrate, making every day a good hair day. Try it when you're ready to see what your curls can really do.